Sound check. Ayan guys, welcome back to my channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. If you're watching this in my YouTube channel, and welcome to Pearl TV Official. If you are watching this in my FB page. And in this video guys, I'm going to cover the song You by Carpenters, okay? And I would love to flex my my friend who gave me this beautiful accessories way back 12 years, ayan. Except yan guys, binigay sa akin yung Sis Annie nang ikakasal na kami ni Mr. ko. Regalo niya yan sa akin, isang box na ganyan. Cute guys, ano, pearl. So tingnan niyo guys, di mo siya nag-itim. So sabi ko baka silver to, hindi ko alam kung ano. Ganda no? Cute. Ngayon ko lang nasuot talaga guys, for the very first time. Kasi si Shasha nagkakalkal ng mga accessories. So nagkakalat doon sa box, sa lalagyan. So inayos ko siya last time. So susuot ko, ang cute eh, no? So ayan guys, kanta na tayo. Sound check. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the nonsense that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. How could anyone mean more to me than you? Shout out to my spouse. We're about to celebrate our happy 12th year anniversary. Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one beyond your eyes. Inside my head, wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration. It's like the old love song goes. Remembering. This is all true. How could anyone be more to me than you? Favorite ko nila is Carpenters. Inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And it's all true. How could anyone mean more to me than you? Mega shout out to all. Thank you so much guys for watching.
Excited magpa-color today.
Salamat. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless. Love you all. Mwah.